Howdy folks, Chuck here, Why Not Wander. It is Friday, no, it's Thursday, November 29th. 10th day of my surgical ordeal on getting my left knee replaced. Just wanted to show you quickly my progress here today. I'm sitting at Cindy's dining room table doing a little video editing, a little video watching today, so I figured it's time to get started on another one. But today I am so far getting around the house pretty well without a cane or walker or anything. But I'll show you my knee here. Definitely I'm limping, a little wobbly, but I'm feeling steady enough. Now I do, when I'm just hanging around, when I'm not in bed or whatever, I'm supposed to have a compression stocking on here to keep fluids from pooling in my leg. So you can see it comes up to just under my knee where I had the surgery done, which you can see the staples kind of sparkling in the sun there, depending on which way I turn it. I still got some bruising. Upper thigh is bruising here. Got a little purple around my foot, but today I'm not quite 90 degrees on this ankle bend here. But now every day after physical therapy, like yesterday I went in for physical therapy, and immediately after he kind of stretches things out and it improves my range of motion for a while. But then as I move around, wear it out, like we went to Walmart, walked around yesterday, got it pretty tired before I got home and got ice on it after surgery. Because they've cut into tissues and things in my knee, we do have a healing process to go through. I get my staples out on Monday. This is Thursday. I still have physical therapy again tomorrow. But I just wanted to show you 10 days into my surgical ordeal, and I am able to walk unassisted. Now your mileage may vary. When I was trying to ask people what to expect after I had mine done, some people hadn't really recovered after a couple of years. Some people were doing real well after a couple of weeks. Now when I had my right one done in August, let's see, we had it August, September, October, November, about 3 months ago. For the first 2 weeks I was painful and not moving well. But once again, I know I've said this before, my physical therapy following that surgery left my surgical leg stronger, and my non-surgical leg, we were building up in the muscles it too, because it was making up and having to do everything for me for both knees. So real pleased with my progress. I'm kind of waiting around. I think my grandson's coming over this afternoon. Linda's had to go down to Fort Collins, Colorado, where her attorney is. She needs to do some legal paperwork for her corporation and get some papers filed. So she's down doing that today because I really can't do anything anyhow. I'm going to go up to my daughter's house. Oh, that's something I could show you. Going to go up to my daughter's house, Michelle, my other daughter. I'm staying at Cindy's house. Going to go up to Michelle's house for supper later on. Possibly go out to the RV, get the Motley crew and take them along with me. Not 100% on that yet. We'll see how I'm actually getting around today. But I kind of expecting my grandson to stop by, but they have loaned me an extra vehicle. So I got a red vehicle here I can drive. It's about 10 miles from here up to my other daughter's house. Nice day. I'll just move down the sidewalk a few steps here. I think people use this street and avoid the stoplights on the highway a block over. But anyway, they're letting me use this vehicle for a little while Linda's out of town today, and she's got something going on Monday as well. I've got a doctor's appointment and a physical therapy appointment. They're planning to take my stitches out on Monday. But for now. Anyway, the story of my day so far, just finished lunch, editing some videos, cleaning out my computer. When my daughter got married back in June, we took a whole bunch of film, put them on the computer. Then as I was doing our Sturgis videos and trip to Portland videos for August and September, my computer got so full, the only way I could use it was to send a lot of stuff to iCloud. Fast internet here at my daughter's. I got my videos pretty much caught up, uploaded. I've still got a few odds and ends that I may or may not get uploaded. Some from the Oregon coast on the Pacific Ocean. Maybe a little bit from Mississippi. I'm not quite sure what I got left over, but I went back and deleted a lot of what I had packed my computer with just so I had more room. I got all these pictures. Yeah, let's see, date, size. If I were a computer expert, I could probably tell you total file size on this, but I don't know. But there's a whole bunch of pictures there, and so we can kind of scroll across the top of them here. These are just still pictures from their wedding rehearsal. But my computer had uploaded them to iCloud, and I haven't had sufficient internet and or sufficient computer space to download those until I got some of these videos taken care of and deleted a lot of files. And so now I've got that done. I'm going to try and get them on a zip drive. I may or may not make a little YouTube clip for them out of that. We'll see what happens, but at least I can get those pictures to them, because here it is almost Christmas time. Well, a month till Christmas, and they're wanting to share a lot of pictures with family and friends for Christmas. So anyway, else I wanted to share today, yesterday at physical therapy, and back on my first knee, when we had the right knee done, a big milestone was in being able to stand up from a sitting position without having to push myself up. Now yesterday, I surprised even myself. I hadn't attempted this since I had the left knee done last week. But to stand up, now, this is a little higher than normal chair. It's probably close to 24 inches. I think Nick said a standard kitchen chair, which we've got an office chair here, but it's in wheels. I don't want to get caught with something rolling away from me. I might give it a try, see how it works. One of the biggest problems I had before I had my knees done, chairs on wheels, because I would have to lift myself up, and many times my arms would be pushing the chair back while I was trying to stand up. But if I can stand up without having to push off, the chair can't get out from under me. Same thing sitting down. Now I did really feel that in this left knee compared to the higher chair over here. But as time progresses, that is one of the exercises that I did a lot of the last time. And again, my knees have had arthritis for years. My legs have gotten weak because they never really got the exercise or workout that they needed to maintain muscle strength. I can kind of mark a benchmark on that. About 9 years ago, 2010, I had fallen and broken my left hip. I didn't break it clear off. They did go in, they salvaged it, put some pins in it. But that was a 4-month recovery period for that before I was even able to walk well enough to go back to work. Of course, my job at the time required I'd be able to walk on a rough rock type surface on the railroad surface. So it took me a while, it took me 2 months to be able to walk very well at all. Compared to this, it's like a breeze here. But one of the things you got to be able to do, now there, I had to catch myself with the right leg a little bit. That's probably enough of that for today. But I just wanted to show you, that's kind of a major, I just wanted to show you that's a major milestone after knee replacement surgery, is getting enough strength back in your legs to stand up and of course walk like a normal human being. So I'm going to work that into the film clip for today just so you can see the progress I'm making. That's my day today. Knee recuperation's coming along really well. I'm very happy. I think my therapist is very happy. I think Monday we get into the doctor who did the surgery. That appointment's on Monday. Take my staples out. I think they're going to be very happy, and we should be improving leaps and bounds every day. But I'll let you know. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Hit that bell icon to be notified when we put up new videos. Leave a comment. Ask a question if you have any. Most of all, be safe. Have a great day. I'll see you on the next video.